Here it is, the 2025 Ford F-150 4x4 XL regular cab, finished in a sharp Oxford white. This truck is ready for any challenge with its powerful 2.7-liter EcoBoost engine and smooth 10-speed automatic transmission. Inside, you're in command with the massive Sync 4 12-inch screen. And for peace of mind on the highway, it's equipped with advanced safety, like the blind spot information system with cross-traffic alert and a lane-keeping system. Book a test drive today at MSA Ford in the Fraser Valley Auto Mall right here in Abbotsford. Are you looking for a truck that works as hard as you do? Whether you're hauling supplies for a job site in Mission or loading up for a weekend getaway, this F-150 is built for the Fraser Valley. This truck is equipped for the long haul with a massive 136-liter, 36-gallon fuel tank to keep you going further between stops. The integrated trailer brake controller and Class 4 trailer hitch mean you're ready to tow with confidence. The durable spray-in bed liner protects your investment, while the pickup box tie-down hooks keep your cargo secure. Plus, features like the rear-view camera and reverse sensing system make maneuvering in tight Abbotsford parking lots a breeze. A question we often get is, what kind of driver assist features does this F-150 have? This truck is loaded with technology to support you on every drive. It includes pre-collision assist with automatic emergency braking, hill start assist to prevent rollback on steep grades, and Ford Pass Connect, which allows you to remotely start, lock, and unlock your vehicle right from your phone. MSA Ford, serving the Fraser Valley for 75 years.